Hey gold friends, Jason here once again taking a look at the gold markets. A little bit of a red day today, nothing crazy. We got upper and lower wicks, a little bit of volatility, but overall we're trending well on the 4-hour time frame. We'll check that out. As we dig into the sub time frames, we do have a daily support level of 1480.961. Lose that. Our next major daily support level is very close by at 1477, then 1474, 1459. If we can set a higher low over 1480, that will require an hourly and 4-hour trend change, but it would let the bulls try to establish a change in this daily trend. We've got a new high. Now we need to establish that higher low. That's what we're hunting for right now. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour bears are in complete control. Here's our high, 1517, a lower high, and here is where we're trying to carve out that change in trend on the daily. If we can establish this as a higher low, let's go clear our charts. If this is our higher low, turn off that magnet. Let's try again. If that's our higher low on the 4-hour, then that is going to allow us to see that change in trend and allow those bulls to resume what has been an overall uptrend in this area. So that's why we need to establish that. And it needs to come in pretty short order here. If we get any lower, we're going to risk losing our level, 1480. If we go to the daily time frame, that's our last ditch possible place for us to stay above on the daily time frame. So 4-hour bulls, this is the ideal time for you to turn things around. Let's stay above our key level, 1480, and ideally, best case scenario, we stay above 1482 to get that nice change in trend. So first thing first, what are we going to see? If we can pull that off, it's going to be a change in the hourly time frame. Right now, we're in a tightening range here off that 1483 support. We're not getting higher lows, higher highs. It's almost in equilibrium, and it may look better on the 15-minute time frame. Not quite an EQ on this time frame, but you can see how we are chopping around back and forth, trying to sort out whether or not we're going to commit to that trend change. We've got a 15-minute tightening range here between 1492 and 1487. Looks like an EQ there, but really what we want to see is some clarity on the hourly time frame. That's going to be a bull break for us, and I would be happy calling it the hourly uptrend. If we're able to get over 1492, that will have us in a nice higher high pattern, getting over those EMA 12 and 26. Carry that over the 4-hour time frame, and then we've got our higher low, I think, locked in place, setting up a nice possibility for a 4-hour trend change, which of course will have us over 1494. Bulls can pull that off. We will be looking good for an overall daily upswing. If they don't, then we'll have to call on those resistances that we checked out in the first part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm keen to see what we're going to do here. I really like us to lock in that 4-hour higher low and see if we can't get ourselves a little bit of a daily uptrend after several weeks of this downtrend action.